of Italy. Yes, in the European Championship. Whoa. In Russia, Daniel Marinov. Great to see Russian gymnast here. Yes. Awesome, Daniel Marinov.
Less so when he's getting there.
Let's go, CarlosYulo.
It had to be him in Southeast Asia. It had to be the top man, your Olympic champion and your top qualifier. It's CarlosYulo. And he's here.
Medyo relax na si CarlosYulo sa competitions, not like before the other world championship. Minami Kazuki, I hope he will do well too. He has a lot of mistakes in the floor finals, but it was fine. He will be doing well. Oh, these are new gymnasts from AIM.
This is 22-year-old Mohammadjon Yakubov.
So
he will have very competitive difficulty. He was the 8th best in qualification, but if he gets his first vault right, could contend.
So the first and the last vaulter are the best vaulter in the world.
Of the People's Republic of China, 6th best in qualification. He had issues with his second vault. His first was pretty as a picture.
All right. Nazar Cherponyu also is a good contender for a podium finish.
2 years ago, Ukraine's Nazar Cherponyu, the 3rd best performer in
Pero hindi ko pa siya I haven't seen him performing the double pike, the Gulescu double pike. Not yet.
And how about we finish
the Arthur Dapian, who is very consistent with his very clean vaulting in his Dragolesco.
In 2022
with 5.2 difficulty for 2 volts.
Arthur Dapian, a 2-time medalist at the Olympiad. Golly, that is a field and a half. And we're going to see some wonderful vaulting taking place.
Yes, we are very excited for our vaulters here.
The finalists in the men's vault competition,
will be the 3rd.
CarlosYulo, the top performer in qualification. He will be the 3rd to go, and he's looking for his 3rd medal at the World Championships on this apparatus.
3rd medal in the World Championship for this apparatus.
Welcome, one and all, wherever you call home, wherever you're watching from,
Tommaso
and whoever you are
Brognami
supporting
of
on this
Italy.
great occasion. My name's Ollie Hogben, and I am delighted
I
to
hope
be
he
joined
can do well
by
because I
elite
want him
gymnast
to
and
have a
ambassador
position
for
podium
these
also. All of
championships.
them are
Sophia
great.
Campana is
Daniel
alongside me.
Marinov is also a
Were
great
you
vaulter,
starstruck by the field there? What an
competing in the
amazing
Russian
lineup.
Championship.
Absolutely. I mean,
But Daniel Marinov is not yet in the level of Nikita Nagorny or Arthur Dolaluyan when they were in their prime.
The athlete lineup is just, I mean, it's
wow, warm up for the double pike of CarlosYulo.
These are in a beautiful space as well, really beautiful space. I don't know if you've been
Concentrating
getting as lost in the
CarlosYulo.
corridors as I have been over the last several days. There's a lot of getting lost to be done.
Yes, exactly. Even after 15 days, we're still finding our way.
Now,
fortunately, we have vaulters here who have impeccable sense of direction. Let's just
thank you very much. A lot of viewers
home,
now because it's weekend. Happy Saturday to all of us.
Brunyami, Daniel Marinov,
Minami Kazuki,
and Minami Kazuki. Now,
Minami Kazuki is amazing
Minami Kazuki
too.
in a minute because he's perhaps a wild card, and I'll explain why. Brunyami and Marinov, we expect to post 2 5.2 difficulty vaults. That would essentially put them on
so Brunyami and Marinov.
And there indeed was only hundreds separating them in qualification.
So 5.2.
He, on the other hand, we think his first vault is going to be the Pike Dragulescu, the famed Rise Guang vault.
Yeah, Pike
If he
Dragulescu
delivers
or
that,
Rise
will give him a
Guang
4/10 advantage over anyone else in the field, assuming that we don't get any other major changes.
Tommaso Brognami is improving a lot.
Degree of difficulty vault. That said, we may get some changes. You just never know in a men's vault final.
Bata pa din for Hi, they start. As of now, Yasan, they are warming up.
8 degree of difficulty vaults in qualification. Actually, the lowest of any qualifier.
They are warming up before the competition
starts.
starts.
That he's going to attempt to Lopez with his first vault, which is a 5.2 degree of difficulty. So we might get a little movement.
Think they are going to start now? Not yet.
CarlosYulo, Sophia, if he hits
Still
that
warming up.
indeed that's what he attempts with his first vault, he could open up a sizable lead.
Nice one.
Wow.
Great.
That's something that
That's
is
something a
uncommon to have
good
such a huge gap, especially
landing.
between the event, the apparatus finalists.
It is, isn't it? We had it yesterday.
Kinakabahan
Very
si
unusually in the
Minami Kasuki.
women's uneven bars final.
Minami
with Kelly Lamore
Kasuki
winning the gold
is
medal by a whole mark. I mean, at a world
weakness
championship
is
level, that's quite
nerves.
extraordinary.
Yeah, quite
Nervousness.
extreme.
He's
Now, from
specialized in
judging
apparatus.
perspective, what for those people who are slightly newer to watching vault, what should they really be looking out for here?
So, the stuck landing is, of course, what we all know.
Yes,
we
stuck
would love to
landing
see.
is number one
But
to see,
not
to
only
watch
that,
for the vault.
Cleanliness as they get onto the table. You'll notice the minor details if their feet are together from when they move from the springboard to the table.
Yeah, feet should be
how is their
feet
shoulder
together.
angle as they lock off? What's the line, the body line?
So
What's the height?
kailangan
Are they
lock
centered
ang
on the
mga
mat?
legs together, feet are glued together, toes are well
There we go.
pointed.
There's your shopping list for what to watch out for. He's a very fine executor of it, that gentleman. Very elegant vaulter.
Yes, elegant vaulter, Tommaso
The reigning
Brugnani.
junior champion of the world as well.
As he is a junior champion of the world in vault.
Who won the last junior world championship
The
final.
malaki
A
na si
sense
Tommaso
of the
Brugnani.
next generation coming through and trying to put a little pressure on the established seniors. That's the very purpose of having these junior world championships.
Welcome to our
the
33
next generation
viewers.
a chance to shine. Well, now he's here on the senior stage. Now, Tommaso Brugnani of Italy
Indeed.
is going to perform his first vault. Qualification
Let's
score
go for
of
Tommaso.
14.249 average. 9+ for execution on both occasions. Let's see what he comes up with.
4.8 difficulty only.
Very nice.
Very
Solid
nice,
legs
Tommaso.
together, just
Very
a minor
clean
step,
vault.
But what a nice landing on a very difficult
A good
vault.
landing. Of course, if you have a
It's
4.8
tightly performed,
difficulty,
wasn't it?
Very well.
you don't
It's
have
just
a
straight
room
up
for
weight landing as
error
well, and
because
that's
any room for
another place
error
gymnasts
will
can
be a
lose
more
a few tenths of-
less
even if
score.
you're landing, you
You
stick
have a
it,
less
your chest is down, you can lose
difficulty
up to half a
score,
point
then you
just
really
for
have
body
to
position.
have a good execution. He executed it well. Feet are glued together.
Right here, that chest is up high.
Yes, chest is up high. It's just there is a back step.
Legs together,
Extra
nice
back
and
step.
tight,
Naku, muntik na dun,
pointed
no?
toes even. Just incredible that he's able to
Kaya lang,
get such detail and such a
I hope
quick
he can increase his
quick
difficulty
step.
na. Because I think he is ready to increase his
He's got a
difficulty in
very
his
elegant
vault.
style to him, hasn't he, Tommaso
This kind of
Brugnani?
vault is good
Yes,
for...
yes.
Tapos si Kaloy, hindi pa sir.
Won his first senior national
Tara,
title earlier this year. Was the
Kaloy will
champion
be on the
both
third
floor
vaulter.
and
This is
vaults,
the
a
first
reasonably
vaulter
common
from Italy.
combination for
Tommaso
gymnasts.
Brugnani,
There's a
I think he's
certain
just 8
crossover,
years
isn't
old
there,
or
between the
19.
two
Same age
apparatus.
with... Tommaso Brugnani is same age with...
Very central.
Hamlet Manukian and Mamo Karatyan
Well, let's have a look at what the number is going to be for the man from Ascoli
of
Piceno
Armenia.
in central Italy.
Oh, he's from
City
central
actually founded
Italy. Let's
centuries before
go.
Rome was.
Vote
That
so
will do nicely.
14.366. Wow, great execution. I
14.366.
told you it's
He's gained a tenth
9.166.
from qualification.
Great execution.
This
But yeah.
was his slightly less
So he needs to
tidy
improve
vault
his
in
difficulty
the preliminary round, the
for
second
him
one.
to secure a
But only by
podium
a
in
matter
the
of
future
hundredths. The
competitions.
key thing for Brugnani there is that he avoided a 1/10 penalty, which he picked up in qualification on the first vault. So he's positioned to move up now. Here we
Second vote of Tommaso Brugnani, 5.2 difficulty.
go. Oh!
Wow,
What a
stuck landing plus
landing.
0.1.
That is the stuck
Amazing.
landing that our
I
audience
can see
dreams of
Tommaso
seeing
Brugnani.
here,
Also,
especially
that's
at the World
Mamo
Championships.
Karatyan
What an
of
opening
Armenia
vault.
walking. So I
Very
hope that
elegant,
Tommaso
gymnastics from
Brugnani
Brugnani,
will
the
increase his
Lopez
difficulty
vault.
because he doesn't have a major
Let's have a look back at
error
it.
here. It's a very clean vault. Perhaps he can increase his 5.2 difficulty to 5.6
That was
next time.
composed.
It was so composed.
See, you have
You're
feet
just
glued together.
wide-eyed at the quality of his execution, aren't you?
Chests
Oh my
are
gosh,
landed
that
high.
stick is
A stick
incredible. I
is
mean, they're coming onto the
incredible
bottom with
too.
so much speed.
Great push and nice
That point that you
height.
made at the start, Sophia, that the snapping together of the heels almost immediately to minimise the opportunity for execution deductions.
That's
a real
nice one
strength
for
of that
Tommaso.
vault.
I believe he can be a very good vaulter in the future.
does get the arms quite tidely into the center of the body as well to ensure a very symmetrical looking twist position.
Yeah, and
not
he
a
landed in the
sense
center of
helicoptering
the
motion with the arms.
Very straight body line, as you can see. His hips are pushed forward. There's no breakage in his line.
Yeah, it will be a good score too. Good execution score. But because of the low level of difficulty, so it took 14.566. Yes, indeed.
From qualification.
So 14.466 total score.
14.566 for the second vault. All of that means that
The only thing is that it's hard for him to be in the podium if Arthur Daffin will do
well.
well.
Contend for a place on the podium.
Daniel Marinov is having 5.2 difficulty for 2 votes.
20-year-old Daniel Marinov.
Oh, 20 years old lang siya.
Fourth best in the preliminary round. He's going to attempt, by the looks of things, the Lopez vault.
Lopez. Great.
Sayang! Well. Little more to take away from a landing
perspective. That will be 0.3 to 0.4 deductions because of the extra steps. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 3. 3 extra steps or
difficulty
4.
Naturally, as we just saw from Tommaso Brugnami.
It's a good push, good height. Medyo kulang lang sa height. 2, 3.
Absolutely.
So 3 extra moves.
About the feet. The toe point is very nice in that vault.
Medyo hindi to
but then there will be quite a lot
contender.
To remove that big back step.
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably
0.5.
3 to 5 tenths for the big step there.
Yes. And the extra steps too, extra movement. He did well eh. Good lines. He landed in the center, kaya lang, ayun, dapat medyo buka-buka na kaunti yung paa niya.
As much power in a backwards direction that
medyo so the overpowered lang. It's amazing for Daniel Marinov.
So that's the first vault performed by Daniel Marinov, the fourth best in qualification.
Next performer will be CarlosYulo here. Yes, 9.1 execution
that's
score.
An interesting comparison to the 14.566 that we saw.
It's a good vault. Then he just have maybe 0.4 deductions for the extra steps. But overall, he had the feet good together, to serve well pointed, no extra movement of the hands
before we move on to the top qualifier.
Sige, let's go for another 5.2 difficulty.
So first of those that we've seen. It certainly will be.
Wow.
Yeah, powerful Dragolesco.
Oh my goodness. I mean, you do not see this vault very often, even on the world stage. It's just incredibly difficult because you have to block off that table, do a full flip, a second one, and then half twist to land. 1, 2.
The flip. Medyo mababa ang chest niya sa landing.
Certainly, this will be an angle to appreciate it from, a little on the pike side, more than a little.
1, 2. Yes, mababa ang chest sa landing. That will be it will cost a lot. If you have a very low chest upon your landing, that will cost a lot. Okay naman ang kanyang height. It's just the landing. Yung mababa talaga ang chest and shoulder. Yan o, shoulder, chest, mababa.
Good job he clipped his nails this morning.
Plus stepping at the backward. That will be maybe 8 point something execution score. Probably. Maybe 8.9 or 8.7 or 8.8 execution score. 8.7 to 8.8 execution score.
A lot of gymnasts, when doing forward work, will add a half twist to make the landing a little bit easier because they can see it. Otherwise, without that half, it's just a forward blind landing.
It's a forward blind landing.
Twist gives them a few more tenths in start value as well.
Medyo mababa ang execution to. 8.8 nga, tama ako. So 14.150.
So he's in the silver medal position behind Tommaso Brugnami. But yes, indeed, the Roche vault, which, as you say, 4 tenths lower in difficulty, but doesn't involve that half twist.
Hi, hello, Milenkova. Our gold in the all-around. We have here CarlosYulo of the Philippines, 14.750. Relax na naman si CarlosYulo eh. He is
CarlosYulo.
He had been in that tough pressure during Olympics. So he knows already now this kind of arena. Hindi naman masyado maraming tao. Let's go, Carlos.
Position. Oh yes,
yeah, hey! This is a 5. Oh my God! Stick na mo. Grabe, panalo! Ang ganda! He perfected already this double pike with a twist. Oh my God! I'm amazed of it. Grabe! Wow, perfect Dragulesco in pike position. Wow! Grabe, this guy might be a goal for CarlosYulo if he will do well. He did well in his pike position with the Dragulesco pike. Then then he will be in the Dragulesco.
That is
wow.
gorgeous.
Amazing straight lines. Amazing technique. The chest, oh good chest landing. Hindi naman ganun kababa.
Wow.
Tama lang.
That's a Renaissance painting.
Wow, indeed. Renaissance as inano ng describe ng British
He'll be considered a little low as he lands, for example,
medyo mababa na kaunti yung chest.
Frankly vulgar to focus on them with a vault of that degree of quality.
Pero siguro syempre mahatak yung 0.1 additional eh. It's a wow vault.
And going, okay, fair enough, that's it. If you're going to do that.
So this might be a tiebreaker kay Arthur Davian. 15.2! Oh my God! Hallelujah! I'm so proud of you, CarlosYulo.
Give the world a chance.
Wow, it's 15.2. Let's do it now in the Dragulesco. Wow, almost perfect. Indeed. Kasi almost perfect talaga. Siguro it might be 15.4 pa nga kung mataas na kaunti yung chest niya. 5.2 with the Dragulesco or Lopez. Yay! Gold up for CarlosYulo! This gonna be gold, my friend. Woo! This gonna be another gold for world champion. Woo! This gonna be gold for CarlosYulo. Gold na to, promise. Gold na to. Gold na to. I can say that it's gonna be a future gold. Galing-galing indeed.
It looks so precise.
Gold na to. Promise. Medyo may kaunting separation of legs lang sa air. I don't know how this will gonna be. But wow. So, this is a very great one. Yung kanyang the push is amazing, very precise. He goated here in the vault. Wow, very great one. Meron lang kaunting, separation of legs na kaunti lang. Pero that's very minimal. Before the landing. Wow, ang taas ng chest sa landing. Those are the things na tinitingnan eh. So, great lines, perfect lines, hindi nag-deviate, nag-landing sa gitna. Amazing, hindi natumba. Yes. I think he will be, wow, 14.533 is acceptable. 14.866 total. Grabe. Arthur Davian can have, even Arthur Davian can have an execution score of 14 of 9.5. Still, CarlosYulo is more higher. That is more higher than the qualifications. And remember that during qualifications, that score of Arthur Davian is already perfect. So this is going to be a sure goal for CarlosYulo. Unless some of the gymnasts will have a 5.4 difficulty or 5.6 difficulty in the vault.
University founded in 1879, has a great
Minami
history.
Kazuki of Japan.
World Championships.
Sana maayos niya. Ay, sana! Yun na nga sinasabi ko eh. I think Minami is injured. Lalo na pa nung, I think, since he started in the floor finals, is already injured. Kasi pangit na mga executions niya.
Difficult he was going for, the Lopez, a 5.2 volt.
What is happening, Minami? You know, ang problema kay Minami if you're a good vaulter, you must have a very strong legs. Ayun, no? What happened? Masyado sigurong glued together. Kailangan, nagkukulang siya ng, masyadong glued together. Dapat bumuka na doon eh. Nagkulang siya ng timing sa pagbuka.
Not a million
Dapat
miles
nagbuka na
away
eh.
from getting around and getting it landed, but it looks as though you're nowhere near it. It's so uncompromising.
Dapat nagbuka na.
Yes.
Diyan, bubuka na.
Sometimes
Hindi siya nagbuka
I feel
eh.
that way too,
Oh my
Jess
God.
will say.
That's
An
blind
experience you know all too
landing.
well, I'm sure.
Dapat bumuka na siya doon.
Because this
Hindi,
is the
nakalimutan
thing,
yung
isn't it,
bumuka.
with gymnasts. We get to see at World Championship level mostly the bits that go right,
Masakit
which only comes
masakit sa
through
paa yun eh.
hours and hours
Dapat
and
bumuka
hours
na siya
and hours of it
doon.
all going wrong in the gym.
Absolutely.
5.2 difficult
the amount of
again. So,
times you've gone
wala na si
to start
Brugdami.
Getting it right is absurd, and I think that's one of the reasons a lot of gymnasts decide
Sayang
maybe
eh.
high level isn't for them, but we have these wonderful
So,
examples
CarlosYulo,
even
CarlosYulo,
if
this is a
sometimes
sure
make
goal,
mistakes,
the mga
and that's part of
kaibigan.
the
I am
sport.
telling you. Even Arthur Davtian will have a same ano, ang mangyayari yan kung magkatay ng score si CarlosYulo kay Arthur Davtian.
So he
Titingnan
did
na lang
get
yung
on this occasion the extra 4 tenths of
nahihiya
difficulty
siya
compared to
bumuka,
qualifying,
masakit
but it
kasi.
does come at a cost of being
Oo,
over
grabe naman. Dapat bumuka na siya doon
second
eh.
vault is now coming up from Minami Kazuki.
Na-late siya ng pagbuka ng paa. Iba naman yung bumuka ka, sir, sa bumuka. Ikaw talaga. Minami, galingan mo na ha. Kasi naawan ako sa kanya eh. 4.8 difficulty na to. Sana mas okay na. Very frustrating eh. Very good, very
That's a
nice.
way to go out.
Wow.
Great job. That is might be an execution score of
Delightful.
9.5.
From Minami Kazuki.
Great job, nakabawi.
That will feel good, won't it? to
So
conclude
mga
in that
kabayan, i-ready nyo na ang pag-awit ng pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
And this is another
And
blind
even
landing. Sometimes you can see
Jake
it for
Jarman
just
will
a
be
slight
here.
second at the
Still
double
CarlosYulo
up here,
will
and then turn
be.
and find the
It
half.
might be a
But it
rival
is
of
definitely
CarlosYulo
harder
and
when
Jake
you're
Jarman
landing
in the future sa
forwards.
vault. Kasi si Arthur Dabhian, hindi na siya masyado nag-i-increase ng
Extremely nice
difficulty.
legs together,
Why? Una sa
body
lahat,
line,
medyo may edad na rin siya. If he will
perfectly
try
straight
to
body line,
increase
and
more of his difficulty, baka maano pa siya, alam mo, masigasaan or madisgrasya siya. But Jake Jarman will be the great rival of CarlosYulo in the vault in the future. So as of now talaga, CarlosYulo is the best vaulter. Imagine mo yung process na pinagdaanan ni CarlosYulo sa vault since Tokyo Olympics 2020 to Paris
So much he's
Olympics, na perfect na yung vault
of
at
the team that
the
won the
World
gold at the
Championship
last World Championships.
2025.
13.749.
Grabe na yung in-improve ni CarlosYulo sa vault. Na perfect yan na to.
366
Dalawang
for his
movement na
second
naman.
vault.
Pero kahit dalawang movement yon, still these are very intricate moves and masyadong delikado din talaga ang vault. Remember mo yung China? Yung babae na kahapon nag-vault siya, hindi siya nakaikot at muntik na siyang madisgrasya doon. At grabe, mahirap po talaga ang vault. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Iba ang vault sa floor. Although may twisting and talon, pero the problem is super spring. Kailangan mo ma-control ang lakas mo dito eh. Nasser Cherponi is just having a 5.2 difficulty for Vault 1 and Vault 2. Unless he will increase his difficulty here, and it will be
a sequence of 5.2 volts based on the qualifications.
Yeah, based on qualification,
Consequently, it could all just
5.2
come down to the little
difficulty
mechanics
for Vault 1 and
of
Vault 2.
execution. And I remind you that it's CarlosYulo leading the way at the moment. Then
So
Tommaso
here
Brugnani
is
second, and
CarlosYulo and
Daniel
Arthur
Marinov
Dabhian.
third.
But the Chinese
I
guy,
think we're
I'm
some way away
doubtful of
from
him
knowing
if he will do the
who's going to get on the podium to
5.6
join
difficulty.
CarlosYulo. I think it's very likely that he will be unsurpassable.
Imagine mo, 5.2 to 5.6,
He's
that's
always
already
got a good
3,
chance.
4, 5, 6, 0.4
After nailing such a high
difference.
value vault, it's
And
gonna be
Arthur
hard to
Dabhian is having 5.2
surpass.
difficulty
How
for Vault 1
aware
and Vault 2.
as an athlete are you
Silent viewer, hi
of what other
Magic!
people are doing in
Thank you very
a
much.
series of apparatus
Should I
finals?
silent
I imagine
myself?
from an all-around perspective,
Sorry,
you're
pero
probably
hindi ko
very
kailangan mag-silent eh kasi
in your own place
YouTube
and
requires
focusing
it.
on what you're doing. But
Or
when it's
else
apparatus
mawawala yung
finals
channel na to.
and you're waiting for your time to come. Do you actively watch the other gymnasts, or do you try not to?
So it depends on the gymnast.
Yes.
And I think it'll be interesting. Maybe we'll be able to get a look of what each gymnast prefers. I've seen gymnasts who like to watch, cheer on the other gymnasts, and others that have their headphones on and like to just stay in their zone, think about their routines. and
Ihanda
only
na
their
ang
routines.
pamansang awit ng Pilipinas
depends
dyan.
on
Maging proud na tayo kay
whatever
CarlosYulo.
the
Kalimutan na
gymnast
mga
feels
issue-issue na
helps them
yan.
stay in their
Tapos
best
na yon. It's their
focus, their
life.
best energy
So
level
every one
quite
of us has issues in life.
Yes, there's no right or
So
wrong, is there?
patawarin na
It's just sort of
natin
finding
siya,
the
patawarin
way
natin
that
yung
works for
sarili.
you.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
that's their issue in
You know,
life.
you'll see
So
some
let's just be happy
hugging
for him.
gymnasts
Let's
who
just
just
focus
get
on
down
their
from the
sports.
podium and it's their turn
Alright.
next, and others who can't
Kasi
even
ano
speak
naman,
and
they
they
are
have to
good
just stay
and
in their little bubble.
this takes time. Yay. Indeed,
Well,
indeed.
their time will come because
Indeed,
we're into the
Mike.
second half of the men's vault final now.
Second half of the vault finals. Hindi itong itaga-ain Russia na to. Hindi ko siya masyado actually nakikita na
This
mag-ace
young
sa
gentleman
vault
is an extremely
sa
effective vaulter, very
Russian
powerful athlete. Mohammad Yakubov,
gymnastics.
8th best in qualification. Now we're going to find out the extent to which he's a real contender based on how the first vault goes. This was where he struggled in qualification. He scored only 13.566. His second vault was a treat. He got 14
Sayang,
and a
alam mo si
half.
Miguel Lopez,
So, a
si
lot
Bisanya,
now
he can be finalist sa
start
vault
of his
din in the
competition.
future. Consistency
Good
lang
luck to him.
kailangan niya and
And
more
to the rest of them.
competitions. Let's watch. 5.2 difficulty.
That's
Good
a
one.
Start. A very good start.
Gorgeous
Good start. Gorgeous start. Pero mahirap to mag-bronze because Arthur Dadfian can stick that landing.
That certainly will feel like a massive job done for him.
Job well done.
He must be so relieved to have a comeback like this.
Little landing adjustment. It's not huge though, is it? The
Not
backwards
huge.
movement.
Not huge. And if you move 2 feet together, you actually lose less than one big step. So see a lot of athletes doing a little hop like he did because it's a way for you to get recentered but lose less.
This is amazing. Ang mga Indonesian talaga, walang hilig sa gymnastics. Hindi man lang napuno yung arena.
It's only part of the job done, and he knows that. He's got an intensely focused look on his face.
Sa Manila, punong-puno na to.
But that's
14.3, a good execution, 9.1.
from the judges.
Yeah, medyo may deduction talaga sa steps niya eh. All in all, he has a good line, good twisting.
By
Nice.
well over
At
half
sa
a
kanyang
mark from
paglanding, nasa
qualification,
gitna
including
rin.
not having the two of the single penalty tip.
Mostly naman sa
Now,
vaults talaga,
vault number
perfect
226,
nila
the
to eh.
Dragolescu is being indicated. So a very
Bakit napili
different
ang
vault,
Indonesia,
obviously.
sir?
Have to be very
Ano
different
po
vaults.
yan? Bunutan kasi yan. They are applying for it. And if they granted, yes.
Let's see if he can get the requisite amplitude.
Dragolescu, wow! 1-2,
Yes, he
so
can get
deductions
the
lang ng
requisite
2.
amplitude.
0.2 as of now. Hindi ko alam yung kanyang
Very
chest.
fine performance from
Yung
Mohammad
Indonesia, kasi
Yakubov.
may ano sila. Una sa lahat, nakapag-hosted sila ng Asian Games. They have the facilities to host at a World Championship.
Wow.
Ay, mababa ang
I think it's
chest.
important
That will
for
be
your
more,
viewers to
maybe
remember that
0.4 deduction
These
total.
vault finalists are training a
Ayun,
second
mababa ang
vault
chest eh.
alongside all of their other routines, which
Plus extra
most
movement.
gymnasts only concentrate on one vault.
Ay,
So the fact that
ayun,
they are putting
Dragolescu,
extra
goods
time
naman, good
to
height.
A whole another salto is extra work in the gym, extra hours,
Mababa
extra
lang
focus,
talaga ang chest niya.
and it's
So,
incredible.
ang
It's
Indonesia
almost
was
like
chosen
a whole
because they,
nother
first of
apparatus.
all, they're able
And
and
that's particularly
successful
interesting when we
to host
consider
the
that some
Asian
of the
Games. They're
athletes in this
successful to
final
host
are
the
also
Asian
involved in the
Games.
all-around competition.
And they have the
So we've got
sports
that
facilities.
mixture of people who are very much associated
They have a good
with being
reputation
vault
in handling this
specialists
kind
like
of big
Artur
event.
Davtyan, who's coming
So
up
that is
last,
why.
like Nazar Chiponi. Yes, they do other things, obviously, but they are really associated with their apparatus. We have people like Daniel Marinov, who did the all-around. We have
Great job.
athletes who focus on other
14.183.
apparatus like Minami Kazuki.
He did well.
And we have a gentleman in the bronze
8.866
medal
execution
position
dahil
there,
nga sa
Mohammad
chest
Yakubov,
mababa at pati din sa kanyang extra
14.183,
steps.
14.066.
Lima na. Let's
The
see
second
about the
vault.
Chinese.
Lost
So
their
ihanda
fair bit
na
for the landing.
ang ating
From
mga
the point.
pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. We're gonna sing it in a while.
He is certainly a contender. Huang Mingqi, he was the 6th best in qualification. It was his second vault that was an issue, contrast to Yakubov, who had problems with the first. Of course, the gymnast may choose to mix things around.
Oh,
goodness, doesn't he
Ow!
travel?
He travels quite a bit.
Big trouble, but
More
big
than
steps
any of the other
forward. That is
athletes.
0.3 deductions kasi mahaba yung step forward. Ay, sorry, step backward. Plus another steps, maybe 0.3 to 0.4
This
deductions para
really
doon.
was somebody getting serious push away
Chest,
from the table. My word.
tama naman. May extra movement lang. Maybe 9.2 to
Almost sort of feel the
9.1
person standing
execution
guarding the door,
score.
taking a step back there as though he was going to come flying through it.
Had to catch him.
But this is
2.5
5.2.
twists.
Yeah, 2.5
So he
twist
pushes
eh.
off, and here he starts his flip, and that's one.
Very great height.
See a second
Grabe,
twist
massive
and a
height.
half.
Naglanding sa gitna. 1, 2, 3 extra steps. Plus mababa ang chest. Maybe 9,
Does a
8.9.
nice job in trying to
Execution.
keep the heels together, trying
Sige,
to keep
anong
the toes
score niyo sa
pointed
execution
as best
score?
he can amidst
Let's
the
go.
complexity of that vault.
Ay,
He
hindi
does
sa
take
gitna.
that little diagonal, or more than little,
8.7 to
sizable diagonal
8.9
back step.
execution maybe. Late comer
28-year-old
ako. Opo, standing na kaloy. 9.166. Standing na kaloy, number 1. He has a score of
He was a silver medalist, or the silver
14.866.
medalist, I should say, at the
1
Asian
point
Championships
higher
earlier
than the
this year.
qualifications.
Went to the Baku World Cup
Just Carlos
earlier in the
Yulo,
season as well, won silver on vault.
15.2,
That
Vault
was
1
amazingly his
with his
first World Cup
5.6
event. That's the
difficulty.
regular season series of events
With
since
this Dragulesco
2018. So he's
hike
been lurking around
or
on the
Resig
international
Guang.
stage for quite a while, not necessarily always getting his opportunity.
Salamat po sa pagsagot.
But
Eh,
nationally, he's
welcome.
been there
Ihanda na ang
competing
pambasang awit ng Philippine Skater.
and challenging
4.8
for honours for a
difficulty.
long time.
Let's see. I hope he will do this well.
Wow.
He did well. Nice one.
That
Nice
was some
one.
beautiful elevation.
So, CarlosYulo
My
now
goodness.
is
Execution
secured of
too.
medal. At least gold. At least gold talaga
Serious
ako.
time in the air to get these
Kasi
twists
I know
completed.
already the performance of Arthur
Floats
Datian. He is
incredibly.
not having a 5.6 difficulty unless he will upgrade in the finals.
And that was 3 full twists. They're hard to see
Because
they're
kahit
so
ma-perfect
fast.
ni unless kung ma-perfect man ni
Felt it
hindi
all
pwedeng
together,
ma-perfect ang
round off back
execution
handspring,
score
and
eh.
he has one
Hindi talaga siya ma-perfect.
and
If Arthur
finishes
Datian will
the
have a
2 and
9.5
a
because
third.
this is the computation that they had
And
from the
that would
Olympics,
just give it the
Paris,
extra 4
and the
tenths of
same
difficulty
with
compared to
here.
the shoe
Pareho
felt
lang
vault
siya.
that we saw earlier on from
Wow,
Minami Kazuki.
amazing.
And that was a 4.8.
So let's be proud
And
of
that's the shoe felt, as
CarlosYulo
many of you
because
know, when
he
you
is
face
gonna be
away from
gold
the
here
table as
in
you
the
land.
floor.
Same vault as we saw there from Tommaso Brugnami, performed by Huang Mingqi.
CarlosYulo is standing first. Sure na. Yes, sure na to sa gold. CarlosYulo is secured at least
He's
gold.
in the bronze medal position.
Because the highest score that Datian can have
we have
is
a
only
change. Jakubov drops
14.6
down
because
into
he has
fourth. Tommaso
5.2 difficulty
Is
eh.
still in second place. We said
Nasser
when Brugnani
Cherponi
performed, he was the
is
fifth best
same
qualifier, just
prediction
remind
with
you,
Arthur
that
Datian,
could
pero
be
mas-
a medal contending display.
Pero mas malinis
And
si ano eh.
indeed, with only 2 to go, he's in the silver medal position. The problem is, what are 2 to go? We've got Nazar Cherponi and Arthur Davtyan.
Yes.
We could be saving some of the very best for last.
If magkamali si
Here is the
ano
bronze
si
medalist
Nasser
from the
Cherponi,
last championships in Antwerp.
si Tomaso ang magiging
Ukraine
bronze.
has won 6 medals on this apparatus at the World Championships.
This is the battle for
Dragulescu
bronze.
to open.
Wow!
Beautiful,
I think
So
Nasser Cherponi
high
will
as
be
he
the
lands.
bronze.
So high, and it went just straight
Yes,
out the
so
net,
high
the
and
landing
very
is so much
beautiful.
easier for
Wala
these
milad
athletes to
karimi sa
find.
vault finals. Wala
Sometimes
po.
when they
Walang milad, sir.
go on to the vault with too much forward direction, it's just hard
Amazing
to
si
stand straight up
Nasser
and get
Cherponi sa
picked up. The
Dragulesco.
screen's perfect down.
Almost perfect, maybe
Step
9.5
landing.
execution
Was it a
score
stick
here.
there?
Ang taas ng height.
Wow.
Wow.
close,
Only
wasn't it?
a
It was
little bit
close,
of
it
extra
was
steps,
still quite the
0.1
landing
maybe.
for such an incredible
But Arthur
vault.
Datian can stick that landing in the
But the
Dragulesco.
point you make about the height he has
So,
here,
Nasser
it allows
Cherponi
some time,
will be
doesn't
the
it, to
battle for
open the
gold
body up,
against
coming
Tommaso
out of that
Brugnami
twisting
of
position.
Italy.
Exactly. That
Sorry.
direction- Yeah, that direction that they get after pushing off the table is really what sets them up for the stick.
I was just going to say that so often with the Dragulescu, one sees it inevitably landed quite bent over, quite jackknifed in the middle. And he, just like the next vaulter, Arthur Davtyan, particularly excels.
Yeah,
at
the
getting
next
fairly
vaulter
upright
after
position as they
Datian. Sila
come
naman ang
into contact
kalaban-laban
with
eh.
that.
Plus, wag mong kakalimutan si,
Which, as we
si
mentioned
Jake
before,
Jarman.
could be an
Because
area
Jake
of
Jarman's
production.
journey is the same journey.
As a
That's
result, he's got a
14.466.
9.266 execution score.
Great execution score.
14.466.
Amazing
very
one.
interesting. It's a 2/10 gain, or just a little more
Even
than 2/10
if he
in
will
qualifying.
perfect the 5.2
That
difficulty,
really
it will
puts
be
him
hard
in
for him to be
contention.
gold na. Sure na si CarlosYulo for
It's
gold.
all going to come down now to the second vault.
So this is the battle for
And
bronze
whether he
between
can really get
Brugnami
these
or
twists
him. If
looking
he will do this well, Nasser
extremely
Cherponi will be
precise.
silver.
There's Archiponi.
Cherponi,
Oh, wow.
let's do it. Let's do it.
His landings are on today.
Yes, amazing one.
He is quite possibly going to
Possible
contend.
na
I think
maging
it will be very
bronze
tight
to.
between positions 2 and 3 and even 4 on the leaderboard.
At least bronze
Let's
to
have a
si
look.
ano si Tomaso,
Wow.
si
Another
Nasser
triple twist
Cherponi.
here. It's
Live po ito,
1,
yes
2,
sir.
and a
Silver
third.
Voice TV. This is
Oh my
live,
gosh.
sir. Live happening. If you want a more good quality
Same
of video,
thing,
you can do with
straight
your laptop,
so that
Eurovision
it's
Sports.
easier
Pero
for
okay na
him
siguro to sa channel
to
ko
then
din.
just
At
come
may
straight
Tagalog
down,
tayo na
bend his
nag-usap-usap
knees,
tayo.
and find that landing.
Mataas ang kanyang
I
chest.
mean, he's almost standing straight up.
Silver, are you my
Lands.
friend Silver from Philippines na respiratory therapist? Amazing. So we are watching here live. This is a live stream, everyone. Happening in Jakarta, Indonesia. What time na dyan sa Oman? Barbara, this is
going to feature. Yulo,
11:30.
Not anymore.
Yes,
Exchange.
14.83, 483.
14.483.
Nasser Cherponi guaranteed at
14
least
and a half for
bronze.
the second vault.
CarlosYulo guaranteed at least
I
gold.
said that positions 2 and 3 might be close.
Gold
This
na
is what
si
we've got.
Carlos, mga kabaigan. So it's 11:30 a.m. in Oman.
14.466 for Burunyami. Hundreds, mere hundreds.
The last
separating them.
one.
Huang now drops
Actually,
into fourth
it
place,
can
and
be
you
a
feel
repeat
for
of
him
his
because he is
qualification
half a tenth
score.
off the podium
Because
at the
perfect
moment.
na naman talaga ni Arthur Dapian ang
However,
Lopez
Arthur
niya at saka
Dapian.
Dragulesco. Kasama ba si na Emma sa Paris? Yes, of course. Nung Paris Olympics, sir, kasama si na Emma doon. Emma Malabuyo, Luvivar, and also Alea.
14.566 in qualification in this final, he will go into the
This
silver
may be a
medal
repeat
position.
of the
Let's see.
Paris Olympics vault. Stick!
Wow.
Yes! That's a stick!
I mean,
Perfect
Well, I think
landing,
we might
perfect
consider
vault of
that stuck.
Dragulesco.
He's done it on so many occasions.
Actually,
over the course of
Dragulesco
his
is the
career.
most, for me,
That
more safe vault than
beautiful
Lopez.
Dragulesco.
wow.
Wow. This is gonna be a
Another
9.5
just
execution or
spotted landing straight up
9.6.
so he can find that stick landing perfectly.
Nice
Wow.
height and a good chest position
I mean,
upon
I
the
know
landing.
one shouldn't be shocked
Wala
because
din
he's out
extra
there doing this
movements
all the time.
sa
He's been doing
ang
it
ganda
for
ng tak
years.
niya.
He won the world
Qualify
title
over
with this
quality
degree
over
of precision
yes.
in 2022.
Quality over
It doesn't
quantity
make it any
kay
less beautiful
Arthur
to watch.
Dadjian.
Absolutely.
Actually,
And knowing
he is
what
now
these
ready
athletes
for
have
to increase his
been through, even
difficulty.
here,
If he will not
adapting
increase his
to
difficulty,
the potentially different
yes,
equipment,
that's true, Terry.
the
Actually, Arthur
different
Dadjian should increase his
humidity, the
difficulty, or
different
else
sleep schedule,
he
the
will always
different
settle
diet.
for silver.
It's a lot for them to
But it's
adapt
fine.
and still perform
It's
at
very,
their best.
quality. He will be
Getting
known
used
for
to
his
life on the
quality
road,
of
and
vault.
he is used to it at 33. The man.
But
from
as we can
Yerevan
say, CarlosYulo is
He
having
will
quality of vault of
get a
his
very
Dragulesco
good
double
score for
pike.
that first vault.
Wow,
Really did a very good score. He got a wonderful
14.8.
score, 14.8.
So even if he'll have a 14.8 score
what's
in his second
interesting
vault, it will be
is
hard
that
for him
brings
to
him
have
very
14.866. Kasi
to
bababa
CarlosYulo,
ang
whose average was
difficulty.
14.866. And we've
Even
seen
if
it
he
before
will
where
have a
Arthur
14.8
Daptian
perfect
wins
score
a vault title
in
with
his second vault,
5.2
mahirap na siya
despite
mag-gold.
the gymnast he beats having an extra 4/10 of difficulty like Yulo has.
Yeah.
Has to be spot on, it has to be stuck. Or virtually.
Kahit na mahirap pa rin
He
siya
loves a
mag-ano
challenge, this man.
Kahit mag-stack to.
We're in for
Wow!
a very interesting weight now.
Silver. This gonna be silver for
This is going to be
Armenia.
close. This is going to be incredibly close.
Very
This
close
is
siya, pero
precision
kahit na mag 14 point, kasi ang pinakamataas niyang pwede makuha is 14.8. Mahirap na
Let's
yung
enjoy this again.
14.8.
It's
886 kasi 14.886 kasi si CarlosYulo. Mahirap
That was
pantayan yung
exactly the precision
14.886
he was
niya
looking
kasi
for.
low difficulty siya. At ang possible na score nito is 14.8 din.
We
Or
said it has to
14.85,
be
14.82.
virtually spot on in order to make up or come close to making up that 4
Very
tenths
perfect
of
siya,
difficulty
oh.
that CarlosYulo has over him.
Feet are good together.
And he did it.
Very perfect. Very stick to the... Ito nang panamat ni Daptian eh. Very clean vault.
Such consistency from this gentleman. The first Armenian world champion.
Let's
Now
see.
he waits. It's going to be Yulo or Davtyan, and it is going to be very tight.
14.833. I told you. Go for CarlosYulo.
14.833. CarlosYulo.
14.866 for Vault 2 for Arthur Davtyan. Very
in Southeast Asia.
big congratulations, CarlosYulo. Woo! Mabuhay Pilipinas.
Southeast Asia's favorite son, CarlosYulo, the Olympic champion, is the champion of the world.
Silver, yes.
How wonderful a final
Lalakas.
that was.
What a match.
Yes, congrats CarlosYulo. Big congrats,
That's
the
exactly
friends.
the way it was a match,
So
wasn't it?
CarlosYulo rival
It was a
involved is
contest
Arthur
between these two.
Davtyan. Wow, congrats Yulo.
Davtyan
Yes,
with a
another goal
rare
for
stick bonus
choice
both
for
vaults,
Chloe.
the only one who
Grabe
achieved
naman.
that.
Ba't ba kayong ganyan?
And had Yulo
Yes, ganun naman talaga. They're a partner eh. Gold also for Chloe. Congratulations, Chloe.
it would have been Davtyan who took it.
Big congratulations, CarlosYulo. Minami Kasuki. Sana ayusin na next time. Sana mag-heal siya.
For the second championships
Big
in a row.
congratulations to our friends.
The classified results in the
Classified
men's vault
results.
competition at the World Championships. Nazar Cheperny of Ukraine wins his second consecutive bronze medal. Artur Davtyan of Armenia wins silver and is once again on a world podium. But it's CarlosYulo of the Philippines who has become, for the second time, the champion of the world on vault. The
First time niya
gentleman who is
mag-champion ni
your reigning
CarlosYulo
Olympic
noong...
champion now has the world
Yes.
title in his possession too.
Yes, injured
We'll
pa
be
ba
back
si
for
Yulo
more in
ngayon?
just a moment, but for now, let's have a look at how the race was run.
Hindi
and
na siya,
how the medals
injured
were
pa rin
won.
siya sa wrist. Gold sa floor, sir. Silver ay ang taga Jake Jarman ng British Filipino. Philippines pa rin. Uwi siya sa Philippines ngayong sa Sunday. So, meet and greet nyo siya sa NAIA. Dediretso pala sila sa Cebu. Meet and greet for Jake Jarman sa Cebu. Dapat i-meet and greet siya sa Cebu, si Jake Jarman. CarlosYulo. The highlights of his performance. Whoa. This is amazing. Great job for CarlosYulo. Double pec. Almost a perfect. Dito lang, medyo mababa ang ang kailangan i-workout dito ni CarlosYulo para hindi siya maabutan ulit ng 5.2 difficulty. Medyo itaas pa ng kaunti ang chest sa landing. Yun ang aayusin niya. Kanos get the men's vault ceremony.
This was an absolutely
Ceremony. Ayan.
spectacular
Pilipinas.
final.
Sumanda na tayo sa pag-awit na pambasang awit ng Pilipinas.
It's the moment that any athlete dreams of when their name is called out in the victory ceremony at a World Championships to climb the summit,
Nazar
to make it
Cheperny
to
of
the top.
Ukraine, bronze medalist.
Nazar Cheperny, the bronze medalist, again in the men's vault competition. You cannot keep him off the world podium.
2023, bronze in the vault finals too.
Despite the
Arthur
difficulty
Davtyan,
disadvantage that Arthur Davtyan brought into this final compared to the eventual winner,
silver medal
we
for the
ran
men's
it
vault
incredibly
finals.
close.
Indeed, ang galing-galing niya.
Fractions, tiny fractions separating them. The beauty of the Armenian vaulter's execution, carrying him to silver and another medal on the world stage.
David C. Thank you very much, David C. Big congratulations to CarlosYulo of the Philippines.
is a petty officer first
Galing,
class.
galing.
He's first class in everything he does, especially when he takes to the vaulting
So
table.
proud of you, Kaloy.
To stick, to not move your feet, landing a hiked Dragulescu is the stuff of fantasy, and he makes it the stuff of reality. His feet placement on the landing as assured as his place in
Grabe,
sporting history.
nag-stick ang landing ni CarlosYulo sa Dragulescu double pike or Sigwang. During Olympics, he wasn't able to do the stick but his chest was so high. During Olympics, that's why he had a good score.
Southeast
so
Asia
almost same lang
is taking
score.
something back. We'll now have the national anthem of the Philippines.
Wow, nakaka-proud.
The playing of Lupan
Nakakayak naman. Very proud of you, CarlosYulo.
The Philippines, composed in 1898 by Julian Felipe. And there they are, the medalists in the men's vault competition at the Jakarta 2025 Championships of the World in the beautiful sport of artistic gymnastics.
Big congratulations sa iyo, CarlosYulo, sa gold.
Just when you think CarlosYulo can't get any better, turns out he can.